Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Naga Bynta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam ya pi. Yasno but ka ICA.
Ka United Democratic Party kabaya trailang hakakunhun Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam daga National People's Party haduk menta kampat Shim Satya lakan yadon benta na haka All Party Committee on Railways balatung daga Sorkar Jela kabansalong hakatayo bansawan. Hagajing Ïakren bat gilat patay kubor unong yalam jonga UDP uba Tito Starwell Kany ulaong. Baka UDP kayang scam halor kanong rim bahado menta kadang persya banwan raya ka Lynti rel Shim Meghalaya. Namar gajing bempat don ki an ki ba perking bante lakam ya gajing wan rung kertep jong ki brio ki banabar ka jela.
As a party, we will meet next week. We will decide as a party. We cannot decide the president or the working president or the general secretary alone regarding this issue to attend. You mean to say that we will attend or not the all-party meeting, right?
Part of it or not?
Yeah, we'll be a part of it. That will be decided in the next meeting. We will be having a next meeting by next week. One stand of the UDP is very clear that till today we oppose the railway line. Till today. Because why? There's still no mechanism, no such kind of mechanism to check influx or to control influx in the state of Meghalaya. So that's why our stand till today, we still oppose railway line. But to be a part of any meeting, to be a part of any across-table meeting, I think the party will consider it.